My disciples. It's been a while. Let's do some goddamn top comments. 25 hertz to life. Thanks for shaving. You're welcome, but actually your mother requested it. The scruff tickles her neck. She can't stand it. Thompson, a guy so nice, his parents gave him the same name twice. For an audio guy, the sound on your video is tragic. Sounds like a 70s tape deck with a slipping drive belt. Aw, shucks, Tom. Does that mean we're not gonna win the Oscar for Best Sound Design at this year's Academy Awards? It's a f***ing installation video. We're not entering the into the Toronto Independent Film Festival. F***ing relax. You should hear the audio your mother recorded for me last night. Shoal Daniel. Thanks. I didn't understand crap. You're welcome. Be less dumb. Redbird Saracino. This guy's delivery along with the written script is a very annoying combination. Why would you say something like that? Your mother also hates my scripts. We just improvise now. Diesel Denis. I think this is the same guy that does the Blue Chew voiceover on the Pornhubs. How'd you know? There's no way you're under 60 years old. The Pornhubs? Does anyone else think the titles on Pornhubs are a little too specific? It's always something like Crave's stepmother comes home and seduces 18-year-old stepson after he finishes an exam from anatomy class. Just say guy bang stepmom. Jason Colby, you got a mean pullout game. Your mother talks too much. Larry George, you are a complete moron. Anybody can read the box. If you don't have a dyno, then you don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, I'm the complete moron and you spelled dino like dinosaur. What do you want me to get, a fucking stegosaurus to measure these amps? Massive 21, why is this vid in my recommendations? I'm guessing it's because your mother watches videos of me on your YouTube account every night before she goes to bed. FDMJIV, he wrote a bunch of bullshit, and then what is with the shitty impersonation of a certain reality video TV show from the 90s, 2000s? F***ing hell, this channel is a train wreck. FDMJIV, I'm a huge fan. I just went through your whole channel. Love your content. There's nothing more inspiring to me than seeing a 42-year-old man running a gaming channel out of his mother's basement. Don't give up on the dream, bud. Mosto 2. This guy reads at a 4th grade level, actually 5th grade. And your videos are so cool, bud. I went through your channel too. I'm loving the milk challenges that you do. It's amazing and so cool. How are you not viral yet? Your parents must be so proud of you when, you have family parties and they talk to all your uncles and aunts and tell them about what you're doing with your life. It's so rewarding for me to see someone your age with the drive and passion you have to get high cholesterol and achieve it in your youth like that. It's amazing. Wes Hauser, this dude looks like he smoked the fattest blunt before making this video. Bro, got no idea what you're talking about. You get like way more higher when you cough.